Empower your student creators to tell their stories, share their visions, and validate their skills with the Unity Certified User Certification. Unity is the leading content creation platform for AR, VR, real-time 3D, and mobile 2D. It's used by students and professionals around the world to create everything from games to movies, 3D models to VR simulations. Unity is one of the most in-demand tech skills with 62% higher growth than the job market overall. And AR/VR has a 1,400% growth outlook. Your students will be ready to enter the workforce or college with certified skills in a dynamic and fast-growing field. With their knowledge and Unity skills, you're positioning them as credible job candidates to employers with an industry-recognized credential. The Unity Certified User Certification, or UCU, is an entry-level credential that allows individuals to get started in interactive content creation for industries such as gaming, entertainment, automotive, AEC, and XR. Unity Certified User Certification helps employers and institutions verify a candidate's knowledge and skills using Unity technology to succeed in these industries. Whether it's a desire to create games and apps or bold new worlds in AR/VR, Unity Certified User Certification is the place to start. The UCU program is comprised of 3 separate certification exams. The UCU Programmer Certification covers the basics of C# programming within Unity software to create interactivity. This certification demonstrates entry-level knowledge that includes debugging, problem-solving, interpreting the API, creating and evaluating code, and navigating the Unity interface. The UCU VR Developer Certification will test the candidate's ability to create VR experiences and programs within Unity software. This includes basic Unity concepts for VR development, scene and script building, UX implementation for VR, and troubleshooting and play testing. The UCU Artist Certification covers the candidate's 2D and 3D digital artistry within Unity. This certification demonstrates knowledge that includes managing the basic aspects of dealing with art assets, scene content design, and using tools within Unity to assist in experience creation. Certiport provides a full pathway solution of resources and tools to teach and prepare your students for the Unity Certified User Certification with tailored learning materials and curriculum, practice tests, and Unity-endorsed certification exams. Adding these materials to your course or lessons is easy and seamless. Help prepare students for college and career success, and empower your students with the skills and credentials they need to enter this growing sector with an industry-recognized certification.